When you work at a small business, IT can be a big deal. At first, there were just a few of you, until one day, there were 50. And 50 people could mean 150 devices to manage. That's a small business with not so small IT demands. That's where we come in. Introducing Apple Business Essentials. It makes managing Apple devices as easy as using them. Oh, hi. We help with setup, onboarding, backup, security, support, repairs, updates. Whew. First, save time with setup. Well, that was fast. From there, onboarding is as easy as logging in. And you can back up using iCloud. Easy. Not to mention, there's built-in security, 24/7 support with AppleCare, and repairs when you need them. Plus, it's easy to get replacements and update devices. It's like having a big IT department without having a big IT department. So no matter how much the business grows, we're here to make it easy, every step of the way. Apple Business Essentials.
Is this your work life?
Hey, I can't hear you.
Yeah,
Hello?
Still can't hear you.
What's wrong with your camera?
You don't see my screen?
Working?
Oh, I can't see the stuff
Still
that
not
you're
working.
sharing.
This stuff never works right.
Look and sound familiar? Well, the wait is over. Introducing the world's first Windows-based collaboration bar, the Lenovo ThinkSmart One. Easy to install, easy to use, and easy to manage. Compatible with multiple UC platforms and in multiple locations. Two 15-watt speakers for crystal clear audio, an extra wide field of view, and an auto-framing camera to capture your entire team. Advanced security levels and privacy controls. An easy-to-use touchscreen controller, and works with your existing infrastructure and devices. And as always, backed with Lenovo Premier services. So enough of this. You've finally found the one. The Lenovo ThinkSmart One, the world's first Windows-based collaboration bar.
Key features of the AR100 head-mounted display include modular mounting options, POV camera for high-resolution streaming and capture, GPS, gyro, dual microphones with built-in speakers. Remote expert capabilities allow an expert at company headquarters to collaborate with a technician in the field, regardless of their location. Help ensure accuracy at every stage of the manufacturing and assembly process by enabling step-by-step instructions and empower newly hired team members with the latest information and guidance to enable them to work with complete accountability. The AR100 keeps both hands free to utilize the high-resolution camera for inventory management and barcode scanning. Step-by-step task flow can verify the most productive sequencing and workflow order, creating the ultimate quality assurance and logistics tool for your business. Distribute key knowledge from your team's experts throughout your entire organization and easily record an expert's point-of-view demonstrations to quickly onboard new employees and highlight advanced techniques and methods. Wearable augmented reality is no longer future tech. It is now tech. Improve your bottom line and benefit from increased productivity and efficiency with the AR solution for tomorrow, today. The Toshiba DynaEdge AR Smart Glasses, a new vision for the workplace.